hanging up there above the water. Don't let it go down. So we're out here doing some work on the lease farm here in South Alabama, and the farmer let us know that there's a pond that he's trying to stock with catfish. He came out here to feed them and did not realize that somehow this pond had been inundated with green sunfish, little brim. So I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. What's that, about 30? Every cast, and there's literally hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of them right here. He came out here to try to feed his catfish after he put them in, and realized that he had a serious problem. You can see them all right there. There's literally just hundreds and hundreds and hundreds in front of everywhere you go, standing around this pond. So we're gonna catch a bunch of these little green sunfish. Are great for bass, so we're gonna catch them, put them in our pond behind the camp, let the bass eat them. We don't have as many over there because the bass keep them thinned out. Perfect size green sunfish. We got a bunch of nice bass in our pond, so we'll put them in there and let the bass eat on them and fatten them up a little bit. We'll come out here and catch as many as we can every day, and then just take them over and put them in the pond. So fun though.
Come down here with that smaller jig head.
How many does that make, you reckon? They're just whoop. Knocked him out. Hanging up there above the water. Don't let it go down. Oh, Lordy. Good grief. That's ridiculous.
All right, one more.
Have you ever caught that many fish in that short amount of time?
Nope.
And what are we using? Just a little jig head with a piece of plastic on it?
Yeah, I can get this out.
All you did was stick a gold jig head and just put a little piece of plastic on it just to give them something to bite on. That's funny. Hey, good way to end the day, ain't it?
Mm-hmm.